Welcome back to Laser Focus Solutions Media. I'm Christopher Godwin, your host, folks, and today we're going to talk about a day in life of what it looks like to be in the home repair space. This week we're focusing on two outdoor projects, and it was a hot one today. It's going to be hot all week. So we went ahead and we're trying to strategically plan our day in a way that we can be most productive and safe, right? I think that's the most important part is definitely going home in the same, if not better condition than we went to work. So the two jobs we're working on, the first one is a 10-foot existing, 10-foot out by 18-foot wide deck, tear off, and then rebuild. So we're going to lay down Trex deck with the Trex railing, the black with the white spindles. So pictures to come when it's all said and done. And then the gazebo, the second job is the gazebo job. So that one is a little bit unique in the town of Middletown, Delaware, where we are. This one was requiring a permit as well. So both jobs, we were waiting on permits to satisfy the customer with the delivery. Have received those permits now in hand, and we're starting the work. So again, the gazebo one was a little bit of a head scratcher, again, because it's a manufactured gazebo, but in the town of Middletown, Delaware, they do want to see it secured. So in this requirement happens to be they want it 12 inches down, 18 inches wide. So we went ahead and bought all the materials today, the 16-inch sonotube, some stakes, some string, some markers, some paint, and whatever else. Started the day out this morning on the deck job, tear off, went ahead and got it all tore off, discussed with the customer, why we went this route, right? Because we were kind of like, should we leave the foundation? Should we just tear the boards off and put the Trex deck on top? And it was very clear. It was clear from the beginning, recommendation-wise, and she was on the same page, but it was very clear upon demo as to why it was a great suggestion. She wanted to bump it out 2 feet, so that would have already changed where the original footers were. But the footers that were there were not in concrete. 2x6 joists were used. So definitely a lower grade construction that is even code requirement, put it that way. So tear off that, put it all to the side, drove over to the other job, met the customer, marked out where this is going to be. Then we took the trailer back to the deck job, and then went ahead and just removed all the old deck, took it to the dump, and then that way tomorrow morning our plan is to start early. So we're going to start because of the heat this week. It's just for us to be productive with all this outside stuff. We're going to go ahead and start early in the morning tomorrow, start digging those 4 footers for the gazebo job, and then we'll go over to the deck and then dig out those 3 footers, 2 feet out more than where they originally were per the drawings. And then we're going to dig out the stairway post as well. So we'll get those taken care of, get all concrete poured tomorrow, and get ourselves set up for success for later on. So, that is pretty much a day in life, right? Also, between that, my truck's still down and out, so I was running around, and grabbing tires and rims for the truck to get them back to the mechanic so he can go ahead and get them on. And, so we're juggling, right? It's what we do every day. If you're wanting to get into this space and you got any questions, leave a comment below, DM me, whatever it is questions you have. If I can help you out in any way to help you grow and scale your business and help you through some things that I've learned the hard way, I'm certainly here to do that. So I appreciate the time, and we'll follow up with some more pictures and more videos. I try to do a live on site of the gazebo and the deck job as they're going along and as they're done. So, all right, peace.